Are you excited to have a nice, restful spring break? Well, the brothers of Alpha Tau Omega here at Troy University are not. Instead, they will make the 128.3-mile trek from Troy to Panama City Beach, Florida, all to raise money to help provide veterans with therapeutic outdoor adventures.
What made me want to do it again is seeing the impact on the veterans we made last year in the walk. Having guys that have literally been overseas and served our country and have seen things that I could never see, thank us for walking to Panama City. That walk we do to Panama City is very temporary. It's just a week-long thing for us. They have to go through this every day of their life, and knowing that we make their lives a little easier by raising some money for them and teaching them, having Jeep minister the gospel to them, it just means the world to me.
With last year's walk happening right before coronavirus lockdowns, this is the first year in which the walk will require extra safety protocols. Walk Hard director Josh Marvin explains what steps will need to be taken to ensure health for the brothers.
So we're really trying to bear in mind the fact that we are in a pandemic, and so even though we are going through with our walk, we're going to make sure we're taking extra care of our guys and extra care of the people that we're going to be around by wearing masks and providing the proper PPE so that we're keeping everybody safe and then still able to achieve some of our goals with walking.
This year will mark the 12th year of Walk Hard after two brothers began the event back in 2009. This year, the ATO Walk Hard crowd change page is sitting at over $60,000 in donations, with more money still yet to be added to the final total.
I really think that COVID was probably the catalyst we needed to kind of think outside the box with how we fundraised. And it really was the push we needed to launch our official website, which we did on December 1st. It's been a really great way for people who might not go to Troy and might not be affiliated with Walk Hard to kind of learn more about what we do and what we do it for. And so we've kind of had some ways that we've been fundraising through social media and things like that, just to kind of involve as many people as possible in the safest ways possible.
If you want to donate, you can do so at ato.crowdchange.co. Simon Schussler, Troy, TrojanVision News.